Are you looking to save your plants from rabbit damage? I'm Trenner Javrick with Landscape Garden Centers, and today we'll take a look at what we can do to salvage what we can of this damaged plant. Okay, so last time we had talked about if there was damage around the entire branch. All that vascular tissue is damaged, and that particular part of the plant is just simply not gonna make it. What we can do though is always look below if there's parts of the plant that are salvageable, and that's kind of what we're gonna be looking at today and how we can best take advantage of that. For instance, this branch here, we have damage clear around, but there's a node just below it with just partial damage. So we can try to just basically prune off the portions that are simply not gonna make it. And what we just take your hand pruner and you wanna trim just slightly above a node where there's any buds or branching or lateral branching is your node. And just prune right above it and try to get at about a 45-degree angle as close as you can and remove that area. That way we're not trying to push any more nutrition up through the plant that's not gonna make it, and we can isolate things in this zone. Down around here would be another good example where we have a lot of damage and then a really obvious node right in this zone. So just get above here and cut it off at an angle. Now a lot of this plant just simply needs to be removed altogether. Not much is salvageable, but take your time and look at things carefully, and what you can save, go for it.